Welcome to the section 2.5 Edpuzzle video. We are going to talk about postulates and paragraph proofs. This is going to be a doozy. All right, so I think I've said it, but postulates or axioms are statements that you don't need to prove. Theorems are statements you do need to prove or that have been proved. Okay, so you need to know all of these postulates. You can read them. They are simple. You can ask questions about them. But let's look at the guided practice. So, explain how the picture illustrates that each statement is true. Then state the postulate that can be used to show each statement is true. Okay, points A, B, and C determine a plane. A, B, and C. All right, now let's go look and see which one that could possibly be. 3 points through any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly one plane. There we go. Found it. It is postulate 2.2. Postulate 2.2. Feel so smart. Planes P and Q intersect at line M. Planes intersecting at a line. I wonder if there's a postulate for that. Oh, I need to put that in Cami. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Postulate 2.2. All right, back to planes intersecting at line M. Okay. 32 points, 33 points. Any line contains 2 points. Plane contains 2 points. Aha. Postulate 2.7. 2 planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. There's the picture. Postulate 2.7 you are. All right. Analyze statements using postulates. Don't mind if I do. Determine whether each statement is always, sometimes, or never true. Explain your reasoning. All right. 2 intersecting lines determine a plane. 2 intersecting lines determine a plane. Do we have, let's see if we have a postulate for that. 2 intersecting lines determine a plane. Through any 2 points, through any 3 non-collinear points, a line, point, plane, 3 and 2 points. 2 lines intersect, then their intersection is 1 point. It's not a postulate. So let's draw a picture. And we will see 2 lines intersect. 2 intersecting lines determine a plane. Well, we could think about 2 intersecting lines as having points on them. And if they intersect, then they have to intersect in some plane. You know, lines, no matter what, there's got to be some plane in which they intersect. And we have to be able to pick 3 points. They're not going to be collinear because they're 2 different lines. And we know that 3 points that are non-collinear do determine a plane, postulate 2.2. So I'm going to say yes by postulate 2.2 because 2 intersecting lines will have 3, will actually have more than 3, but 3 non-collinear points. And so that is what determines a plane, and the 2 intersecting lines have that. You see how I'm using my logic? 3 lines intersect in 2 points. Oh, and so yeah, this is always, by the way. So this could be sometimes or never as well. 3 lines intersect at 2 points. So again, I'm going to draw a picture. 3 lines intersect at 2 points. Is that like this? Okay. 3 lines in it, or we could have this. But I think 3 lines intersecting at 2 points would have to be like this. These are, where the 3 lines intersect at 2 points, and these are not lines, right? So I think that this is never true, because the only way to make it true in my mind here is to make non-linear shapes. All right, so what are we going to do for something like this? We are going to draw a picture. We're going to go back to our 7 postulates and see if we can use any of them to justify our statement. And yes, we're not just going to write the word always or never. I think we're going to get points for that. Okay, and all of this is the beginnings of writing a proof. So in our class, we're not going to write paragraph proofs. It is possible to write paragraph proofs. They look like this, but we are going to stick with the 2-column proofs. Okay, so yeah. So let's knock off some of the so you don't need to do anything from example 3, because that's a paragraph proof. We're not going to do that. And you do have to do that. All right. So anything that's a paragraph proof, you don't have to do. But the always, sometimes, or never, knowing those postulates, you do have to do that. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful and helped you with your green section. I even cut out an example for you. So make sure you really fill out that blue section with questions 16 through 29, 34 through 44. Put those in the I need to learn, I need to practice, I understand. And then if you understand them, complete them. If you need to practice them, make sure you're ready to do that in class. And if you need to learn them, put them in the red section so that I can explain them to you best I can. All right, bye guys.